Hey, what you on? Cause I can change in a little bit. Been in the zone, I'm eating more than a little. It's the same dude, a couple chains in a little drip. I been out the game, but I can still make a dollar flip. Cartier watch, canary diamonds in the bezel. The other side hot, cause they had never seen my level. See everything good, just as long as I don't settle. I'm 100 miles running, no brakes, all pedal. Oh God.
It's Fizz Major. Hit me on my page. What's up, fam band? Welcome back to Whips and Flights. You feel me? We back at you with another episode, another video of the content for the masses. Yeah, I'm talking about today, man. Me and the Podgies, me and the brothers got special guests out here from Florida, man. Tap in with the Apparel 707 with the Left Coast Studios. Yada. We had Migo pop up with the Kanya Sata, baby. He came through there grilling big food, you feel me? Big pollo, big Kanya Sata, big carnitas. Yeah, me and my family bam came through. You know we fuck with the amigos.
I woke up count money, legendary, I'm the GOAT. All my shortcomings, yeah, I blinded on the dope. Had to learn young, can't be worried about a hoe. Can't fuck with all them groups, I'm only cute cause I ain't broke. Can't fuck with all them groups, I'm only cute cause I ain't broke. Can't fuck with all them groups, I'm only cute cause I ain't broke. Can't fuck with all them groups, I'm only cute cause I ain't broke. Can't fuck with all them groups, I'm only cute cause I ain't broke. Upgrade designer, I'm big timer, I'm a shiner. I make this shit look easy, lazy boy, I'm in recliner.
You see we chilling, big vibing out. Here to showcase what we can do with the whips, what Left Coast Studios has to offer. You see the whips, man. We came through real, you feel me, high class whips this time. We just meeting up with the brothers, with the fam bam, and see what we can put through with this good content. So sit back, relax, spark up, drink up, pour a drink, whatever it is, and enjoy the content. But yeah, you see it, we in their studio, man. I'm trying to get fresh to death, get ready for these scenes, man. Got air to drip out. Trying to support the brand. Apparel707.com, man. GLD, man. God loves diversity, man. To support the movement, man. We're here for the masses. We're here for everybody. Got something for the kids. Got something for the ladies. Definitely got something for the men. So just tap in, man. That's Apparel707.com.
Yeah.
A little behind the scene footage to see how we put everything together, man. We just working together, 3 entrepreneurs, 4 entrepreneurs, just trying to get it right, trying to put it right. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, man, these whips, man, they be classic, man. You gotta know how to work them things in and out.
Hit it fast, pronto, roll of gas, petrol, country with money, HNIC, head honcho.
And shout out to kids with Chavez Jr., man. Chavez Jr., baby, he came through. I appreciate you for coming out, popping out. Appreciate Left Coast Studios. Shout out to them, man. They set up a real good platform for everybody. You feel me? Shout out to Podgy, TJ, brother. He came through, set it up. Real businessman out there. Shout out to Apparel 707 and GLD. Shout out to security, you feel me? Shout out, man, to everybody, man, that put their action in. Shout out Glenn for shooting the content, man. I appreciate you. But yeah, we just gonna vibe out, man. Let me know what you think in the comments.
My nigga on lean tone, watch how you pour it. This ain't that nigga, this shit potent. Smoke top shelf, nigga, this here smoking. Only black dude in my neighborhood talking. I ain't from Ted, but them swingers be poking. Nigga got snow, say about to hit the slope. You can call us junkie, but you can't call us broke. Gas, petrol, country with money, HNIC, head honcho. Hit lit fast, pronto, roll of gas, petrol, country with money, HNIC, head honcho. Hit lit fast, pronto, we roll of gas, petrol, country with money, HNIC, head honcho. Hit lit fast, pronto, roll of gas, petrol, country with money, HNIC, head honcho. Hit lit fast, pronto.
Got rid of them trips to the metro, all the way home to the back road. Used to get it out the mud on the dirt road. On the same nigga posted at the sit go. No skill, no bad, just the eyeball. Wholesale deal, get it for the low. I was out of time, really moving both. I ain't even finished, and he bringing more. Plus keep bringing them in rapido. I said the nada, but the spacio. Hit Hefe on the back end. Get the pesos in the pronto. Still pulling moves with my vatos. And my tool go where I go. So country, yeah, I'm dodging all these potholes. Push your button, get your white dough. Get your wrapped like a taco. Why you playing with your life though? I done been where you tryna go? Why you tryna earn all the stripes for? Is it worth you to die for? We the type, we want all the smoke. I'm the type, I won't let it go. So country with this money, but I'm humble though. So country hit the block of my pajamas, yo. 4-5 in my pajamas, yo. I been knocking shit down like a domino. I can drop it off to you like a domino. A lot of walk-ins, no kick though. And get up out of there like vominos. Had a black Ford Explorer, was a grocery store. It was a drive-through too.
Appreciate y'all, fan man, for popping out, man, watching the video and keeping the content, man. Feel free, catch up on all the other videos, man. Watch what's next, you know what I'm talking about. Let me know what you feel in the comments, man. I'll be back at you soon with some new content. Yeah.
HNIC, head honcho, hit lit fast, pronto, Petro, Jethro, head honcho, yeah, pronto, Jethro.